Hi everyone, Benidorm Crazy Marcus here again, and today we're just taking a walk from Benidorm, coming down through what's called G&T Alley, Gin and Tonic Alley, basically. It's a beautiful day. I would have to guess it is up a 32, maybe even a 37, so it is very hot. Hola. It is super hot, guys. We are just trying to get as many films as we can done, then head back home, dip in the pool, uploading. Nice little wine shop here, looks awesome. Do your wines, nuts, chocolates, proper fancy. Anyway guys, before I forget, a big shout out goes out to Janet Hubbard and her husband Gary. Brilliant people. We went out drinking with them last night at Uncle Ped's, had a few drinks in there. Then this morning we went for breakfast at Sidebar Benidorm with them. Brilliant people, nice, kind and polite. Shop here, got some black and white photos of Benidorm. Of course you can see there, got modern day Benidorm. Then on the bottom you've got olden day Benidorm. That's what used to be the Fancy Beach. This one here was maybe Poniente. Lots of olden day photos. I imagine if you do go on Google, you probably will be able to find some more old-fashioned black and white photos of Benidorm. Coming back at the skateboard shop here. Very nice, not too busy. I imagine maybe this evening, later on, it will be busier. Come up here now, past Hotel Fulch, literally right here in centre of town. Come up this alleyway and we will be back in centre of town pretty much. Back in town now. And just take a slow walk. Enjoy the sun while it lasts. We have had some funny weather here so far this week. Yesterday morning we did wake up to thunder. It was a bit dark, tons of storm clouds, and we was expecting it to rain, maybe even full-on storm. But come the afternoon, sun was shining again. alleyway up here. Tons of old bars up there. Perfect for a cheap beer. And of course, on corner of the town is everyone's favourite shop, Ollie Hop, or Al Hop, however you pronounce it, with the We Love Benidorm poster on top. Gonna carry on. See where I actually end up. Coming down past the pizza place here, and of course the kebab restaurant. I'm not actually too sure where to go, so if I do seem to like suddenly stop dead and stop talking in some of my videos, it is most likely because A, I'm either lost, or B, I have no idea where to go next. I'm trying to mix some of these vids up for you guys, make them different. Think I may go this way, down past Hotel Avenida, not a hotel, literally in the centre of Benidorm town. I imagine that will be awesome, but it's only a short walk to the beach. You're not far from some of town's main shops. Base over the road, you've got Douglas perfume shop over there as well. Not really far from anywhere. Gonna love and leave you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.